Everyone says the best workout split builds the best physique. They're wrong. The best split is the one that matches your level, your recovery, and your lifestyle. Copy the wrong program, and you can spend years training hard with almost nothing to show for it. If you've been stuck despite showing up every week, your training split could be the reason. Today we're breaking down the 9 most popular workout splits, who they're built for, who should avoid them, and which ones actually work best for natural lifters. But first, most people make one huge mistake. They pick the split that looks impressive, instead of the one they can recover from. Remember this: muscles don't grow during workouts. They grow while recovering. Let's start with full body. If you're a beginner, keep it simple. Train your entire body 3 times a week. Focus on compound lifts: squat, press, row, hinge, pull, and core. Your goal isn't endless exercises. It's getting stronger every week. More weight, more reps, better technique. That's progressive overload. Because beginners need practice more than variety. If you're busy or coming back after a long break, full body is one of the smartest choices you can make. Next comes upper-lower. Upper, lower, rest, repeat. Every muscle gets trained twice every week. Enough volume to grow, enough recovery to improve, without living in the gym. This is why so many experienced natural lifters love it. It's sustainable. And sustainable always beats extreme. Now let's talk about the bro split. Chest Monday. Back Tuesday. Shoulders, arms, legs. It became famous because bodybuilders used it. But many of them recovered differently than natural lifters. For most people, training each muscle twice a week produces better results than destroying it once every 7 days. Does it work? Yes. Is it the best option for most natural lifters? Probably not. Now we reach push-pull legs, one of the most balanced programs ever created. Push trains chest, shoulders, and triceps. Pull trains back, biceps, and rear delts. Leg day covers everything below the waist. Simple, flexible, effective. Run it 3 days if you're busy. Or 6 days if recovery is excellent. That's why push-pull legs remains one of the safest choices for almost every experience level. Next is the Arnold Split. Chest and back, shoulders and arms. Legs, repeat. The pumps are incredible. But pumps aren't the same as progress. This split is best for advanced lifters who recover well and enjoy long gym sessions. Then there's the Texas method, built for the moment beginner gains disappear. Instead of progressing every workout, you progress every week. 1 volume day, 1 recovery day, 1 intensity day. Simple, brutal, and incredibly effective for building strength. That takes things even further. Heavy strength work, high volume hypertrophy. 5 demanding training days. If your sleep, nutrition, or recovery isn't dialed in, this program will expose it. PHUL offers a smarter balance. 2 power days, 2 hypertrophy days. Heavy weights build strength. Higher volume builds muscle. Together, they produce both size and performance. Then there's 5-3-1, one of the smartest strength systems ever created. Instead of chasing your max every week, you train below it. Progress slowly. Recover properly. Repeat the cycle. It isn't exciting, but it keeps producing stronger lifters year after year. So, which split should you choose? Ask yourself 3 simple questions. How many days can I realistically train? Can I recover consistently? Will I still enjoy this program 6 months from now? Because that's the split that wins. Not the hardest one, not the trendiest one, the one you'll actually stick with. Your muscles don't care what your program is called. They respond to progressive overload. Quality nutrition, good sleep, and relentless consistency. Stop changing your routine every few weeks. Master 1 program. Get stronger. Recover well. Repeat. Real transformation isn't built by chasing the perfect workout. It's built by refusing to quit when motivation disappears. That's the difference between average people and athletes who transform their bodies. 1 year from now, nobody will ask which split you followed. They'll ask how you changed so much. And the answer will be simple. You chose a program that fit your life. You stayed consistent. And you trusted the process. Now pick your split, commit to it. Train hard. Recover harder. Stay disciplined. Because time rewards consistency, not perfection. And if you want to know exactly how to eat to maximize muscle growth with any of these training splits, watch the next video. Because the right workout builds the foundation, but the right nutrition builds the physique.